Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Power Rangers martial art lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to practice some fun Power Rangers moves. And before we get started, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, because at the end of the video, I'm going to be announcing a very special giveaway. In fact, we're giving away a copy of one of our newest comic books, Dojo Go, Dr. Fist, The Wrong Destiny Part 1. So if you want to know the origins of Dr. Fist, why he doesn't like Dojo so much, make sure you guys like and subscribe, because from now until September 1st, every single week, I'm going to be announcing a giveaway for a copy of our book. Okay, now if you have parents, if you want to get a copy of this, we have ebook and print versions available. Just click the links in the description below. Alright guys, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count in Korean. You guys repeat nice and loud after me. Alright, let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. Alright, let's start swinging our arms backwards. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Going the other way now. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. All right, rotating left and right just like this. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. Okay, all right, we're going to stretch out our legs a little bit. Come on, hands on your knees. Good. We're going to bend all the way down. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good, awesome. One final stretch, feet together, reaching down for your toes. Good, nice. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. All right, shake your hands, shake out your legs. Good. 차렷. Kenya. Awesome. All right, guys. Looks like we're gonna be getting a message from Zordon soon. I wonder what he needs this for. Oh. Looks like he sent one of his robots over here. So it seems like the message says that there are goons attacking the city, led by Goldar. Alright guys, well, let's go ahead and help the other Power Rangers by attacking the other goons in the city and defending it. Okay, ready? Let's go. Alright. Oh no, there's goons everywhere. Alright guys, let's go ahead and defeat them together. Hands up, buddy hands. Awesome. Alright, so when the goons get close to us, here we're going to practice. We're going to go jab, cross, uppercut, hook. Now when we throw our cross, we're going to pull the same hand back and then do an uppercut with the same hand with the right and throw a left hook. Okay, let's do that together. Everyone say jab, cross, pull, uppercut, hook. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Again, go jab, cross, pull, uppercut, hook. Nice. Good job, you guys. Again, jab, cross, pull, uppercut, hook. Awesome. Good. Again, one more time. Jab, cross, pull, uppercut, hook. Awesome. Good job, you guys. We defeated some of those goons. All right, there's some coming on this side. Here's a new combination. This time, we're going to go jab, up elbow, cross, hook. Okay, let's do that together. Everyone go jab, up elbow, cross, hook. Awesome. Good. Again, jab, up elbow, cross, hook. Nice. Now if you're punching with one hand on your face every time, you look twice as good. Ready? Everyone go jab, up elbow, cross, hook. Nice. Good. Two more times. Again, go jab, up elbow, cross, hook. Awesome. Good. One more time. Ready? Go jab, up elbow, cross, hook. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very good work. All right. Now, looks like we defeated the goons in the city. But I hear Goldar is around here somewhere. You guys see Goldar? Where? Oh no, Goldar is here. Alright you guys, well in order to defeat Goldar, we're going to have to power up. Here's how we're going to power up. We're going to do some exercises to make us really strong. We're going to do push-ups, squats, and we're also going to do sit-ups. Okay, so let's go ahead and get down on the floor. Let's get ourselves charged up. Let's do 5 push-ups on my count. Ready? Everyone say 하나. Good job. Do it. Good, I can feel the energy. Ready, set. Good. Net. Good. 다섯. Awesome, good. All right, let's do some squats now to make sure we're really strong. Hands together like this. Awesome, let's do 5 squats. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나. Good, do it. Good, set. Good, net. Good, 다섯. Awesome. All right, one more thing to get us all charged up. We're going to do sit-ups, okay? So when you do your sit-ups, here's the thing. If you can't go up all the way, that's okay. Do your best, okay? That's all you can do. Do your best. Ready? Everyone say, 하나. Good. Do it. Good job. Set. Good. Net. Good, one more, toss it. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, stand up real quick. All right, looks like we're all charged up and ready to go. Now to defeat Goldar, he has a lot of health, so we gotta defeat him with 50 punches. Okay, can you guys help me do 50 punches? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. When I say go, we're gonna do punches non-stop, and you're gonna see a little counter that goes up from 0 all the way to 50. Now, all of you guys at home, you gotta help me defeat Goldar. So, I'm gonna do as many as you can. You do as many as you can. Hopefully, everyone around the world, we can defeat Goldar together. You guys ready? Say yes, sir. I don't believe you. Yes, sir. Awesome, good. All right, hands up, buddies, hands. All right, ready, set, go. Nice, good job, you guys. High five. We defeated Goldar. Uh-oh. It looks like he turned giant. What are we gonna do, you guys? Get the Megazord? Well, unfortunately, I don't have a Megazord. Huh. That's an interesting idea. Come over here, Dojo. All right, Dojo. Remember that one time we had to fight King Kong? All right, so we're gonna use the same method, the same formula to get Dojo super strong so we can fight the large Goldar, okay? All right, Dojo, here we go. Oh man, Dojo's really big. Let's go and hop on Dojo's back. Okay, Dojo, you know what you have to do, right, buddy? Okay, guys, here's what I want you guys to do at home. We're gonna call out commands for Dojo. Now, as you do the commands, Dojo is monkey see, monkey do. So if you throw a jab, Dojo's also gonna throw a jab. You throw a cross, he's gonna throw a cross, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna call out jab, cross, push kick, round kick. And let me show you guys what it looks like first. So we're gonna go jab, cross, push kick, round kick, okay? So you guys do that at home with me, ready? Let's go ahead and make Dojo do the right moves. I'm gonna go jab, cross, push kick, round kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, go jab, cross, push kick, round kick. Awesome, good job again. Jab, cross, push kick, round kick. Awesome, good, good, good. Nice, 2 more times. Again, go jab, cross, push kick, round kick. Nice, 1 more time. Full power, ready to go. Jab, cross, push kick, round kick. Nice, very good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome. All right, looks like we saved the city. We defeated Goldar. Now, let's go ahead and see who the winner of the giveaway is. Awesome. All right, so parents or kids, if this is your username, parents send me a message on the About Page section of my channel so I can get your guys' contact information. You guys have won a free copy of our newest book, Dr. Fist, The Wrong Destiny, Part 1. Now, if you want a copy of this book anyway, click the links down below. I have copies in ebook and print version. Now, depending on how this does, if enough people like the story and want to continue, we will add a part 2 and a part 3. So make sure you guys click the links down below. Also, parents, if you're looking for a way for your kids to learn martial arts at home, I provided links to a 6-week program that you guys can try out, see if you guys like it, okay? Hope you guys are great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Chariot? Inyet. All right, bye everybody. See y'all later.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.